Hi, I'm Gavin Waddell, a virtual classroom facilitator at MCI Solutions. The Business Writing Series, Session 3, is built for individuals who need to create professional written documents that lead to tangible outcomes. In this session, we look at using language and words that are fit for purpose and constructing sentences that clearly flow. We explore how to present your document and incorporate lists, tables, and graphics, and how to review your work and check that it's reader ready. This course is particularly relevant because written communication is critically important for professional influence and credibility. And as with all of our virtual classes, you'll leave with practical insights that you can use straight away. I look forward to seeing you online very soon.